In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently download attachments from Zoho CRM using Google Chrome. Whether you're new to Zoho CRM or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity, ensuring you can confidently access and retrieve the files you need. Let's dive in and start this process. First things first, open up Google Chrome on your computer. Once you've done that, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and get yourself into the system. Zoho CRM is a robust tool designed for managing customer relationships, and being able to access attachments is an essential part of using it effectively. Now that you're logged in, it's time to go to the specific module where the attachments you need are stored. This could be a range of areas, such as contacts, leads, or any other segment relevant to your workflow. The module serves as a dedicated area within Zoho CRM that organizes your data efficiently, allowing you to find what you need without unnecessary hassle. Once you're in the right module, the next step is to pinpoint the exact record that contains the attachments you're looking to download. This is crucial because attachments are often linked to particular records, which helps in keeping things organized. Open up the record, and you should see a wealth of information displayed, typically including details pertinent to the module you're in. Look for the section or tab labeled Attachments. This is where all the documents, images, or files tied to that record are stored. With the Attachments tab open, it's time to download the file or files you need. Browse through the attachments to find the ones relevant to your tasks. To download, simply click on the attachment link or icon. This action will prompt the download to begin. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this process should be fairly quick. This way, the files will be securely downloaded directly to your device, ready for you to use whenever needed. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage and retrieve important documents from Zoho CRM using Google Chrome. It's a straightforward process, but a vital one for maintaining accurate and accessible data within your CRM. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these features will make your experience with Zoho CRM not only more productive but also more intuitive. So, next time you need those critical attachments, you know exactly how to grab them with confidence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.